Welcome to the GP Migration Assessment tool. Running the tool can be completed in a few simple steps. Once you fill in your information and click the Submit button, an email will be sent to the address you provided. That email will contain a link to log in and download the tool. Once you log in, you can read more about what is required to run the tool and select the Download button. The tool should automatically be placed in your Downloads folder on your computer. Remember to select the copy icon to copy your individualized token. Once downloaded, launch the executable and paste in your token. Now enter in the name of your GP SQL Server instance as well as the username and password of a user that has at least read access to the GP system and company databases you want to analyze. Click Connect to ensure that the tool can access the SQL Server and select the company or companies you wish to analyze. Next, it is suggested that you browse out to your dynamic set file so the tool can read the additional ISV solutions you may have installed and are using. Now, simply select Run to run the tool. The tool should take less than 1 minute to run on your system. Again, users don't need to log out of GP, so there's no need to schedule a time to run the tool in evenings or weekends. Once the tool is complete, you can view the type of information that is captured in the tool and upload the results. Very shortly, you will receive an email indicating that your report is ready to view. Upon clicking on the link in the email, you can view the results of the assessment. Once you view the report, click on the Share icon to share the results with your partner. They will review the results and help build a plan forward in your journey to the cloud.